Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada with a new box with Adil. Where's the box? Somewhere. Here it is. That's what I got here. So let's see what's inside here. Okay. So let's open it. Sometimes it's in a box, sometimes it's in a cover, I just don't want to show you the sides. It has my address and everything. So let's open it and see what's inside it. Come on. Is there a strategy to open this? So yeah, it's easier. I really thank you guys for watching our Unboxing Canada. And I hope it grows up. And whoa, there are 3 items in this. You remember the boxes that we used to get, one item in a huge box and it's just a graphic card or a small thing. Now here 3 items in this. See, this is how companies think. So which one should I take first? This one here. Wow. So you remember the iPhone that we just got? It didn't have like the adapter because the new iPhone Pro Max, right? So 12 Pro Max, their adapter is completely different than the previous one. So as you can see here, that's better. So this is here. I don't see it in the camera, but I don't know if you guys see the adapter here. So let's show it on the second camera. As you can see, this is the iPhone Pro Max 12 Pro Max adapter. So let's unbox it. It's from Apple, and as you can see here, the label is still there. So it's a USB-C 20-watt power adapter. See how the box is? It's really amazing. I love Apple. So this is a dot here, a green dot. So that's what we need to remove. And let's see what you have here. Let's see. So this is the box. So this is how it is. This is how it comes. Attached. Comes this way. Now there's, there you can see here. Still the box is so much. Alright, let's open it here. So as you can see here, it's not clear again. Just want to switch off that light. Okay, so this is the adapter. That's how it looks. So nothing is still remaining here. So this is a cover, I guess. I don't know if we need to remove it. I'll just keep it. Okay, and let's see what's in here. So this is the guide. I never read the guide at all. It shows here USB adapter guide, warranty summary. Yeah, that's how it is. So that's it for the adapter. Just keep it back where it's possible. Just keep it as new as possible. And then when I use it, I'll just move it away and put it in the right place to store charging. Okay, so this is done. So we'll just create separate videos for each product. So I really appreciate you being one of my Unboxing Canada subscribers, and I hope you guys continue to support us, to share, subscribe, like, click on the notification bell there so you can be notified when there's new products. And I really appreciate your support again. Thank you very much and have a good day. Good night, by the way.